Ninth problem, a rectangular pool has area 2x square plus 7x plus 3 square hastas. If its width is 2x plus 1 hastas, find its length. We need to find out length. Hasta was a unit used to measure length. So to find the length, they are using the unit hasta. Okay. So let us start the solution. What is given? Area of the pool. So let us write area of the pool is equals to 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay. And width is given as width is equals to 2x plus 1. We know area formula. Area is equals to length into width. Okay. Now we need to find out length. So what we can do, we can send width down. So length is equals to area by width. So length is equals to area by width. Area is 2x square plus 7x plus 3 by 2x plus 1. We need to factorize the numerator. So in numerator 2x square and 3 can be multiplied. So we will get 6x square and the middle term is 7x. Now we need to think of two numbers such that if we multiply we should get 6x square. Can we write 6 and 1? Okay. And if we add these two we will get 7x. So here it will be, we need to keep these two in place of 7x. So 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3 by 2x plus 1. So here 2x is common, x plus 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is common, x plus 3 by 2x plus 1. We can take out x plus 3 common again. So x plus 3 is common. What is left? 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1. So we can cancel this. The length is x plus 3. Therefore, the length of the pool is x plus 3 hastas.